Hey, what's going on YouTube? Dan Kelly here. Just wanted to touch base, give you a little progress update on where I'm at in my affiliate marketing journey. First 10 months or so that I was doing this, I would have to say that, number one, I lacked focus. I just really wasn't, I tried a bunch of different courses, but just failed to take the right actions. And when I didn't have success, I just jumped from one to the other. And obviously I found that sucked, did not work at all, and it's not something I wanted to continue to do. I think during that 10-month time, I think I had a $15 sale and a couple other, very tiny little things that came along. But ever since the last 2 months that I've been doing the Evergreen Lead Machine and the Elm Connect suite of products, working with Andrew and Laurelyn, who've been super helpful, super supportive. They've really, helped me in terms of keeping my focus. Andrew's got a real simple program that he kind of lays out and, basically said that, hey, if you do these 8 things, you'll have success. And sure enough, I got a sale. So yay me. That's a good start, and I'm happy, and I've got several prospects, people that I've been talking to that are very interested. Some people just take a little bit more time, and I'm not going to try to push it down their throat. If they want it, they want it. If they don't, then I'm just going to move on. But some of the things that, Andrew kind of pushes is, personal development. When you're in your car, instead of sitting there listening to the radio and just listening to crappy news and all the negativity that there is in the world, find something on YouTube or find something that you can listen to that's motivational, or find a podcast that's educational that'll help you out. Something that, is going to help you develop more as a person instead of listening to just all the junk that's out there. Also, connect to their new YouTube channel, which I've done. Another thing is making sure that I get posts, at least 2 posts per day on Facebook. I use fan pages because, my job, I really don't want to be trying to push a bunch of stuff on my personal page. Maybe that'll change along the way, but for right now, that's where I'm at. On top of that, with Elm Connect, I've been reaching out to, anywhere from 5 to 10 people a day. I've had quite a few conversations, more than just, hey, here's my link. It's more just trying to find out a little bit about what they're going through, what they're trying to do. Maybe this product is something that can help them. And if it's not, that's okay. You've made a new friend, and, maybe there's something that they have that can help you out as well. On top of that, making sure that I get 1 email out to my list every day to try to keep in contact with them and make sure that, they're with me. And so that has been going along pretty good. I've had okay success with that, trying to get better at it. And then also doing 1 YouTube a week, which this is my YouTube for this week. And so just trying to stay positive. And, the other thing is just be here a year from now. And I'm going to continue to work hard. I'm going to continue to keep doing the things that, Andrew suggested. And I've been learning quite a bit. And so I'm really excited about the product. There's some real great new things coming out with Elm Messenger and Elm Engage, where we can, we're going to be able to do broadcasts and campaigns. We're going to be able to use posts. I mean, the scope of what we're going to be able to do with these products, and, for people who are really looking to use something organically where you're not spending a ton of money. I spent a bunch of money on solo ads. I had a conversation with someone today who, was telling me they were part of Anthony Morrison's group, and she's been doing solo ads, and she's like, I haven't had 0 success from it. And, with solo ads, you never really know what you're getting. A lot of those guys, they swap lists, and you could end up getting who knows what. So, you might get 60, 80 people added to your list, but then if you turn around and email them and they're not responding to you, what good is it? So why not start reaching out to people organically? Why not trying to engage with them through Facebook and have a conversation? See where it leads. Not everything is going to be a sale. But if you stay persistent and you stay consistent, then you're going to see the results. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to throw my link for our September promotion that we're doing. so that everybody can kind of check it out. It's a 50% off for the life of the, for as long as you have the product. So thanks a lot for listening. Hope everybody's doing well. Have a great night. Take care.